So, the other day, Jason sent me these, and I'm going to be using them on my front doors on my build for next year, 2019. And they're the ATQ-1550 series Super Tweets. They have a bullet in the center, push terminals on the back, which I prefer push terminals over the tabs. And they're rated at 250 watts max, a 125 watts RMS. Their frequency response is between 2,000 hertz and 20,000 hertz. They have a 4 ohms impedance. They also come with this tiny little, what I would call a base blocker, and a cutout diagram. Now, if you'd like to get your hand on any of these here, you can either contact Jason Pradardi or Mike Burba now and ask them if they can get you some. So I think they're going to be pretty good, and if you want to get you some, you can ask one of them and they'll probably be able to get you some pretty quick. So hit them up if you want them.